Yeah, I'm down here by Raleigh, about 30 minutes from Raleigh, North Carolina.
From where? From what town?
Raleigh? The capital city down here, Raleigh, North Carolina.
But they got that echo box that's messing you up there. I can't believe people get up here on echo boxes on side, Dan. Can you try it one more time?
Yeah, Raleigh, North Carolina, Raleigh.
Oh, Raleigh, okay. Yeah, I'm from Roxborough originally, if you know where that is.
Oh, yeah, I know where that's at. I know exactly where Roxborough is. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours from here.
I used to ride over there. We'd go to Raleigh. Me and my brother, we'd ride over there to Lock and Loaded, that microphone. Do you know where that is?
Yeah, I know where that's at. It's still down here.
And we used to go there on the weekends. That place would be crawling with folks. That was a good place to ride, man.
Oh, yeah, it's, they moved it. I think they moved it to a bigger building now. It's off, US 70, if you know where that's at. US 70 at 401.
Lodge on the 70 to 401. Yeah, I ain't been back in about 7 years, man. I've been back down here, and I'm going to have to make that ride for long. My daddy ain't doing so good up there, Rod.
Oh, yeah, I hear that. Yeah, I'm not originally from North Carolina either. I grew up in East St. Louis. That's where I'm from, but I moved down here.
St. Louis. Well, I had problems last night, man, with my power supply. I had to